Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. Today we are going to talk about the tree. So basically it's on the left side of your screen right here where you have all the features. So as you can see, I have some boss extrude feature and then some fillet and cut extrude going on for this part. So this is basically a nested view. So it will like show you within the arrows that what sketch belongs to this boss extrude one. Now if you don't want this kind of tree view, you can change it to flat tree view, I guess. Yeah, flat tree view. So all you have to do is go on top and right click, go to tree display, and here is the first option, show flat tree view. Just select that. Now you can see how it changes your tree. So basically it will be in the increment order of your sketch. So it knows your sketch 1, uh, then your boss extrude, then you have done sketch 2, and so on and so forth. So the other one was the nested view, which is mostly used by all of the designers. Sometimes I use this flat tree view. So if I have a simple design like a screw or something, but if you're working on complicated parts, you might want that one because it will be difficult if it is a flat tree view. That's it for this video. If you find this useful, make sure to like the video and comment down below if you have any doubts. Thank you so much guys. Peace.